ध्यान से देखिएगा, दिस इज ट्रू, करेक्ट, एब्सोल्युटली नो प्रॉब्लम. Why? Because see, 9, now I am going to perform the steps in defense of what I am saying. What can 9 be written as? 9 can easily be written as 3 square. Now that means from this and this you can take the square part common and you can write this very well as the square of this whole thing. And now if you open the bracket, this 3 will not be multiplied only with the first term but with the second, third also. So you get 3 by x plus 3 by y plus 3 by z, and square is outside. So this is definitely correct. Did you understand? Yes. Cube root of x into cube root of x into cube root of x. True or false? Okay. So this is also true. How? What is cube root of x? X to the power 1 by 3. What is cube root of x? X to the power 1 by 3. What is the third one? Same, x to the power 1 by 3. So this becomes x to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 x to the power. Now 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is what? 3 by 3, which is nothing but 1, which is nothing but x. Followed or not? I did not add a plus. Had it been plus, this would be wrong. This is a multiplication. Rules of exponents. What about this? This is true. Why? Cube root of x plus cube root of x plus cube root of x is 3 times cube root of x. So it doesn't matter what is the operation. Apple plus apple plus apple is 3 times of apple. So apple plus apple plus apple, 3 apples. So something plus something plus something is 3 times of that. Perfectly alright, absolutely no problem. Followed? What about this? This is false. This would have been correct had the 3 been outside. But since the 3 has also gone inside the root, this is false. What about this one? Very good. This is true. Because 3 was outside, फिर भी outside. ये x cube का क्या हुआ? Square root of x into x into x. So these two can come out. They will become x root of x. So this is perfectly correct. What is wrong? ये वाला क्या should be? भाई एप्पल प्लस एप्पल प्लस एप्पल शुड बी 3 एप्पल. तो वो 3 एप्पल की जगह तुमने वो 3 को अंडर रूट के अंदर कैसे ले लिया? फॉलोड और नॉट? 3 शुड बी आउट. समझ गए? यस. बताओ भाई. हाँ, सो फर्स्ट वन ट्रू और फॉल्स? ओके, सो 8 रूट 8 प्लस रूट 5 प्लस रूट 3 सिंगल में यू राइट दिस एज अंडर रूट ऑफ 3 प्लस 8 प्लस 5. What will this become? Root 16. This is a mathematical blunder. Are you understanding this thing or not? This is definitely a mathematical blunder. आप ऐसा नहीं कर सकते. Did you understand this thing? Okay, इसके बारे में क्या कह रहे हैं? True or false? देखो बेटा, यहां पे देखो, 10 को you multiplied inside, this becomes 13. 13 raised to the power x. So true होना चाहिए. बेटा, this is 200% false. High quality nonsense. क्यों है ऐसा हाई क्वालिटी नॉनसेंस? हाँ बोलिए. हाँ भैया 10 और क्या, 10 डज नॉट हैव एनी पावर. और आपने क्या किया, सोचा ब्रैकेट ओपन कर दे भाई, मल्टीप्लाई कर दे अंदर. ब्लंडर हो गया, क्योंकि if you want to multiply then 10 should also have the same power, but ऐसा नहीं था, तो this is wrong, false. ये बताइए. अब जो false बता रहे हैं, if you are saying this is false, देखो बेटा, e to the power t square into e to the power t should be e to the power t cube. false क्या है? अगर false कह रहे हैं तो बताइए. बहुत बढ़िया. This is also false because you will say e to the power t square plus t. According to the rules of exponents, you must say e to the power t square into e to the power t is e to the power t cube, नहीं e to the power t square plus t, क्योंकि powers are added and not multiplied. ये तब होगा जब हम पावर को ही मल्टीप्लाई करते. तो ऊपर के तीनों फॉल्स हो गए. इसके बारे में क्या ख्याल है? ट्रू? ओके, वेरी गुड. This one is true because since both are raised to the same power, I can take it. Got it?